Hi, guys. If you follow along in your science books, you were to silent read these pages the other day, but let's go and discuss it more in depth today. Types of ecosystems. There's different types of ecosystems. The abiotic factors in an ecosystem often determine what kinds of organisms live in it. For example, only organisms that can withstand the extreme heat and dryness of a desert can live there. Organisms living in an ecosystem often have similar traits or characteristics. These traits help them survive in their ecosystem. Frogs, turtles, and alligators have webbed feet that help them swim in a water ecosystem, such as a swamp. All types of ecosystems contain populations and communities. A population is a group of organisms of one species that live in an area at the same time. A population may be all the oak trees in an area. Different populations in an area make up a community. A community may have populations of oak trees, maple trees, and pine trees. Members of a community depend on one another to fill needs, such as food and shelter. Coral reef. Organisms that live in a coral reef have traits that help them live in warm, clear, shallow water. For example, some algae carry on photosynthesis. As a result, they grow only in shallow water where sunlight can reach them. The coral reef can support the algae, which produce food for consumers, including the coral animals. A coral reef may have many colorful animals, such as clownfish, anemones, and sponges. A reef is made up mostly of skeletons of dead coral animals. The coral animals on the top part of the reef are alive. 125. Different characteristics here of biomes. We've got a tropical rainforest. The traits of organisms that live in a tropical rainforest help them survive in a warm, rainy climate all year long. The shape of the leaves of some plants cause raindrops to fall off the plants quickly. The high amount of moisture in the air allows other plants, such as orchids, to grow on trees, not in soil. Butterflies, tree frogs, monkeys, and parrots are some animals that live in this ecosystem. The desert. Deserts have little rain. Most have hot days and cool nights. Some deserts have sand dunes. Some are rocky. Others are covered by a layer of salt.